Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Welcome to the exciting world of digital art. It can seem daunting at first with all the buttons and settings, but it's incredibly rewarding because of its flexibility and forgiving nature. That is the undo button. This guide will give you a quick and easy start, focusing on fundamental concepts and practical exercises. This is what you'll need. A digital drawing device, that's either a graphics tablet, that is Wacom, Intuos, XP Pen, Huion, or any other graphics tablet. These connect to your computer and you draw on a tablet surface while looking at your computer screen. They offer great precision and pressure sensitivity. You also have a screen tablet or a pen display, an example of Wacom Cintiq, XP Pen Artist, Huion, Canvas. These are like monitors you draw directly on, more intuitive but can be more expensive. You also have iPad plus Apple Pencil or Android tablet plus stylus, very popular for portability and intuitive drawing apps. You even have a mouse. You can draw with a mouse, especially for pixel art or vector graphics, but it's less natural for freehand drawing. Now, these are some of the digital art software, free and beginners friendly. We have Krita, which is found in PC or Mac or Linux here. So this is free, open source, and incredibly powerful. We shall use this for our illustration actually. It's often recommended for beginners because it's packed with features for painting and illustration without cost barrier. You also have GIMP, which is found in PC or Mac or Linux as well. This is free as well, open source, more focused on photo manipulation, but has drawing capabilities. Can be a bit clunky for pure drawing compared to Krita. You also have IB's Paint X. This is found in mobile or tablet, free on mobile, tons of features, very popular, and we also have many more softwares. Now, this is the absolute essentials for digital drawing. Before you even think about fancy brushes or blending modes, master this. Master the canvas, that is the new document. When you just open your software like this, you'll need to create a new file or new canvas. The size or resolution for beginners start with something like 1920 by 1080 pixels, which is standard HD, or 2000 by 2000 pixels for square art. Don't go too huge at first as it can slow down your computer. DPI or PPI, that is dots or pixels per inch. If you plan to print, set this to 300 dpi for purely digital display screens, and 72 to 150 dpi is usually fine as well. For background, start with a white or light gray background. Let's get to layers. This is the magic of digital art. Think of layers as transparent sheets stacked on top of each other. You can draw on one layer without affecting the others. Now, this is how to use it. Always create a new layer for each major part of your drawing, e.g. a sketch, line art, base colors, shadows, highlights, etc. You can hide, show, move, delete, or change the opacity of individual layers. This allows you to easily make corrections without ruining your entire drawing. For practice, make a new layer, draw on it, make another layer, draw something else, hide the first layer, see how it works. We also have magic brushes. Don't get overwhelmed by hundreds of brushes here. For beginners, you only need a few. That is a pencil or sketch brush for your initial ideas and rough lines. You also have ink or pen brush for clean line art now. That is for inking. Look for one with good pressure sensitivity. You also have hard round brush for solid colors, crisp edges, and flat shading. You also have soft round brush, that is airbrush, for blending, soft shading, or ingredients. You have settings as well. Learn to adjust the size, that is brush tip size, and opacity, that is how transparent the brush stroke is. Pressure sensitivity often controls opacity and or size. We also have color picker and swatches. Your software will have a color picker. Learn to select colors. Many programs also have swatches or palettes where you can save frequently used colors. We also have an eraser tool, which is crucial for correcting mistakes. Often has different brush shapes and opacities, just like drawing brushes. We have undo or redo, your best friend. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Just hit Ctrl plus Z on your PC or Command plus Z on your Mac to go back. These are now some quick and easy beginner exercises which we shall do. These focus on getting comfortable with your tablet or stylus and even the software. The scribble or warm up, open a new canvas here. Now use a simple pencil or pen brush. Just scribble freely, make long lines, short lines, circles, zigzags, and also focus. Getting used to the feel of the pen on the tablet and seeing the line appear on the screen. Don't look at your hand, look at the screen. We also have line control, straight lines. Try to draw straight lines, that is vertical, horizontal, or diagonal, freehand without even a ruler tool. Do them quickly and confidently. We have circles or ellipses. Try to draw smooth circles and ovals. Don't try to draw them perfectly. Slow, a quicker, confident stroke often yields better results. Now go ahead and also practice pressure sensitivity. Use a pencil or ink brush. Draw lines where you start light, press harder, then lighten up again. See how the thickness or opacity changes. Now these are some of the basic shapes into 3D forms. Draw a square like this on a new layer and then draw another square next to it. Connect the corners to make a cube. This is why most complex objects are made of simpler forms. Understanding how to draw basic shapes in 3D is foundational. Now we also have simple object outline, that is the line work focus. Choose a simple object that is either a coffee mug, an apple, a simple leaf, a light bulb, and then layer 1, that is for the sketch. Draw a very rough, loose sketch of the object. Don't worry about perfection, just get the basic shape first. Lower its opacity to actually about 30 to 50%. For layer 2, this is now a clean line art. Create a new layer using a clean ink or pen brush. Trace over your rough sketch, trying to make smoother, more confident lines. Focus on the contours. Delete or hide now the sketch layer. Once you are done, hide or delete your rough sketch layer to see your clean line work. This is the reason why this teaches you the essential digital artwork flow: sketch, then ink. We also have flat coloring. Use your clean line art from exercise above we have just done. Layer 3, that is the color. Create a new layer and drag it below your line art layer. Using your hard round brush and the fill tool, that is the bucket tool if at all it's available, fill in the different sections of your object with solid flat colors. Now, this is the reason why it gets you used to managing layers, selecting colors, and the basic coloring process. This is the final encouragement to you as a digital artist. Be patient. Digital art takes practice, just like traditional art. Your first drawings won't be masterpieces, and that's perfectly normal. Don't fear the undo button. It's there for a reason. Embrace experimentation. Watch tutorials. YouTube is a treasure trove of tutorials for specific software and techniques. You can just see I have a lot of Krita beginners tutorial here. Just search for Krita for beginners, Procreate basics, or digital painting basics. Draw what you love as well. Start with subjects that interest you to keep motivation high. Practice regularly, even 15 to 30 minutes a day will make a huge difference. Focus on fundamentals before diving into complex rendering. Focus on lines, shapes, forms, and basic light or shadow. Have fun on your digital art journey. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.